I will first accept the cookie banner to clear the UI. Then, I will start the game by guessing Inception to establish a baseline for the target medium, year, and rating. I will click the search field, type the title, select it, and then click the guess button to submit. Type card is green for my guess Inception movie. Target medium equals movie. The target is a movie released before 2010. Red arrow down with an MDB rating lower than 8.8. Red arrow down. No genres: action, adventure, sci-fi. Actors: DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page, or director Nolan overlapped. I need to find a movie from before 2010 with a rating below 8.8 in different genres. Type card is green for Inception, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. No genres or cast from Inception matched. I will guess Pulp Fiction 1994, crime/drama, 8.9 to test a different era and genre set. Acknowledging the rating might still be high, but it helps narrow the field. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released after 1994. Red arrow up and has an MDB rating lower than 8.9. Red arrow down. The genres crime and drama are both correct. Green pills. No actors Travolta, Thurman, Jackson, or the director Tarantino matched. The target is a crime drama released between 1995 and 2009 with a rating below 8.8. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction, so target medium equals movie. The target is a crime drama released after 1994 and before 2010 with a rating lower than 8.9. The Departed 2006 fits these criteria perfectly as a highly rated crime drama from that era. I will also accept the cookie banner to ensure it does not block any UI elements. Type card is green for The Departed movie. Target medium equals movie. The target movie was released after 2006. Yellow arrow up and has an MDB rating lower than 8.5. Yellow arrow down. The genres crime, drama, and thriller are all correct. Green pills. No actors or the director matched. The target is a crime drama thriller released in 2007 or 2008 with a rating between 8.0 and 8.4. Type card is green for The Departed, so target medium equals movie. The target is a crime drama thriller released after 2006. Yellow arrow up, so likely 2007 or 2008 with a rating lower than 8.5. Yellow arrow down. No Country for Old Men 2007 is a highly acclaimed crime drama thriller with an 8.2 rating, fitting all current constraints. I nailed it. I found No Country for Old Men in just 4 guesses. The key was narrowing it down to a crime drama thriller from 2007 with a rating around 8.2, which led me straight to this Oscar-winning masterpiece.